Quick update on Goldfinch here. So GFI, looking at just like we did with Arc Block, if we simply zoom out, we're going to stay on the weekly here because the monthly, there's not enough history here on the Gate.io chart. But if you just simply draw and look at the macro picture of things, and we just simply draw a price area here for support and resistance on the macro scale. Yet again, you can see the macro support, turn resistance again, and now that's where the price is kind of chopping around recently. It's on this macro support price area, if that makes any sense. So we are above the 0.5 that is also low to the high 382. We're currently at 235. So as long as you're above 179, 180, we're up almost 6% on the week here, but we're just completely going sideways here after breaking the uptrend here. We're just getting accumulated on the macro scale on this macro support area. So if you're just zooming out and wondering where this thing is going to end up and you're not too worried about the price and you're worried more of where the price is going to end up and where you're going to take your profit at, like I just showed you, if it makes sense, of course, this is the macro area that you're sitting on. So if it holds up, if it goes any lower from looking at this, the 0.5 at 179, which is also, like I said, low to the high 382 and 0.5 here, any lower than that, that will pretty much tell us that this is the top. Because if you break this macro area here, that's not a very good thing for GFI, and it's probably going to go down to lower targets and it won't go up for a very long time. And that could very well have been the top for this cycle, because you also have to realize that not everything's going to go up at the same time. Some things top out way early, some things won't run to the very end of the bull market, and some things will run in the middle of the bull market, of course. So we'll see if it holds up. As long as you're over this 180 level, you're macro bullish here on that support area. And then of course we're looking at smaller prices here on the weekly chart. Of course, the red box here, the 618 down to the bottom of the box at about 275, that is your low to the high 236. So keeping it that simple from where you are right now, if we're going to move up and start breaking out, we need to move up about 17-18%, get over 275, and then up to about $3. That is a 30% move. And then once we accomplish that, this thing will probably have a huge spike up to the 786 and move up 168-69% to that first big 786 target where it got stuck perfectly back here. So with that being said, how high is GFI going to go this cycle? If it holds up over the macro area here, we do have our $4 billion market cap up to the 1272 here on the Gate.io chart for a new high up to $52. And from today, that's going to give you a decent 22.5x on your investment for Goldfinch here. So it may go higher than that. But of course, comment down below, what is your target price for GFI this cycle? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.